क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 देखते हैं. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is found to be rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. Geometrically means graphically. The word problem is given. You represent in linear equation in two variables. So here two fruits are given, apples and grapes. So how can we assume the variables x and y? So here 2 kg of apple and 1 kg of grapes cost is given. After a month, 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes cost was given. Right? So we assume for 1 kg of apple, the cost is rupees x and the cost of 1 kg grapes is rupees y. Let cost of 1 kg apples is rupees x and cost of 1 kg grapes is rupees y. Okay. Total cost is given rupees 160. Total cost is rupees 160. So 2 kg apples and 1 kg grapes. 2 kg apple cost is 2x and 1 kg grapes cost is rupees y. It is given rupees 160. It is our first equation. First equation. Same. The cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Cost of 4 kg of apples. Cost of 1 kg apples is rupees x. So cost of 4 kg apples is rupees 4x. And cost of 2 kg of grapes is rupees 2y. And total cost is rupees 300. So therefore, according to given condition, our equation is 4x plus 2y equals to 300. 4 and 2 and 300 all are even numbers, so 2 is common. 2x plus 2 is outside, y is equal to 300. 2 will be down, therefore 2x plus y, 300 upon 2, 150. It is our second equation. From these two equations, we make a table and then we draw a graph. (2x plus y is equal to 160. Therefore, we take y one side and we write 160 minus 2x. Now we assume the values of x and y. x की वैल्यू यहाँ पे रखते हैं 50. 50 to the 100. 160 minus 100, here we get 60. हम यहाँ पे 40 रखते हैं. 40 to the 80. 160 minus 80, here we got 80. Now we make the table. X, YQ value, and X and Y. 50 and 40 and 60 and 80. The order pairs are 50, 60 and 40, 80. Okay. We take the second equation. 2x plus y is equal to 150. Again here the coefficient of y is 1. We take y left side and 150 minus 2x. Now we assume the values of x and y. X we take 50. X 50, then 50 to the 100. 150 minus 100, it is 50. Again we take 40. 40 to the 80. 150 minus 80, it is 70. So again we make the table. We write x and y and x and y. X की values कौन सी है? 50 and 40. 50 है तो 50, y की value 40 है तो 70. Here we write 50, 50 and 40, 70. From this table we draw the graph. Here positive values are given for x and y. So here we draw the positive x-axis and positive y-axis. The highest value of x is 50 and y is 80. 10 we take, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80 we take. Now first order pair is 50, 60. 50 and 60. 50 and 60. Then 40 and 80. 40 and 80. We draw the graph. It is the graph of 2x plus y is equal to 160. Second 50, 50. 50 and 50 is here. 40, 70. 40 and 70. Again we draw the graph. It is the graph of 2x plus y is equal to 150. See, here price of apples and grapes are given. So, according to given conditions, here we made the two equations. From two equations, we made the tables, assume the value of x and y, and from here we draw the graph.